welcome to a brand new episode of Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. देखिए पहले लाइफ में जो है सीजन वेदर के हिसाब से होता था, तो कुछ ही सीजन्स होते थे, जैसे आपकी समर होती थी, आपकी विंटर होती थी, आपके स्प्रिंग होता था, आपका फॉल होता था. लेकिन अब जो है द वे वी लुक एट इट हैज कंप्लीटली चेंज. नाउ सीजन्स एक्चुअली डिपेंड ऑन डिजाइनर्स. जैसे अब सीजन्स होते हैं स्प्रिंग समर, ऑटम विंटर, ईद सीजन, दिवाली सीजन, वेडिंग सीजन, क्योंकि अब हमारे सीजन होते हैं कलेक्शन के हिसाब से. एंड नाउ दैट आवर लाइव्स आर रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड सीजन्स एंड डिजाइनर्स सो मच, देन देयर इज एन एग्जीबिशन दैट यू नीड टू नो अबाउट. दिस इज एन एग्जीबिशन दैट हैपेंड इन दुबई and this is an exhibition that gave a chance to a lot of newcomers as designers and had some very established names as well. This exhibition was called Numaish. The 6th edition of Numaish Festive Fair was conceived with a vision to allow people to aspire for global designer fashion within their reach, and the event proved to be a platform to empower women entrepreneurs in the world of fashion. It provided emerging and well-acclaimed designers a stage to showcase their collections in an international market.
The response has been great. This is my second edition, and we'll be having one more edition in the winter season. So we have got great response. I think we were just 2 hours in the show, and we almost kind of a sellout show. So it feels good. The response is great.
The fair showcased women and men's apparel, jewelry, accessories, home decor, festive gifts, and gourmet food. Over 100 international designers from India, Pakistan, Thailand, and Zimbabwe revealed their festive collection at the fair. Attendees also had the opportunity to meet and receive personalized styling tips from these top designers.
I'm basically a very ethnic person, and I mainly use all Indian handicrafts in my garments. So I do hand embroideries, I use hand looms, hand woven fabrics, and this time I've used mirror embroidery from Gujarat, and I've made a beautiful collection on complete mirror embroideries on khadi. So it is called Chavi, and that's the latest collection I've brought this time here.
They are very bright colors which I've used, but along with it, their Monopale is very fond of nudes, the neutral, the base tussar color, the natural tussar color, and black. That is always there. Whatever is in and out doesn't make a difference.
We've taken this fabric where the sequin is actually woven into the fabric. This is something that they do in Pulwa in West Bengal, and we've taken that fabric and tried to make it more contemporary.
It's a festive collection, so we have pinks, oranges, purples, magentas, with a little touch of embroidery or kalamkari, or just the hand-woven simple with chicken curry work. But basically it's for the festive season.
This shopping experience comprised of a kaleidoscope of talent and presented an opportunity for shoppers to choose from a variety of inspiring collections for the festive season. Now, whenever you talk about designers, there's one name that you certainly cannot miss. This is the ace designer from Bollywood, जिनके नाम की माला हर एक हीरोइन जपती है. इनफैक्ट पेज 3 सर्किट्स में और बॉलीवुड सर्किट में माना जाता है कि अगर आपकी शादी है एंड आपने अपने कपड़े मनीष मल्होत्रा से नहीं लिए हैं, then probably you didn't have a good enough budget for your marriage. He's so popular in these circuits that Kareena Kapoor once said that nobody can style an Indian bride the way Manish Malhotra can. अब जब इतनी तारीफ इनकी हो ही रही है तो आपको दिखा देते हैं what he did while he was in Dubai to launch his new collection. The ace designer Manish Malhotra impressed the city's socialites and fashionistas with a fantastic fashion show in collaboration with Studio 8. The collection was all about a new language for the neo bride to express her joy, style, and individuality in every moment that she is celebrating.
the brides are really opening up. They've started what one has done the collections of a simpler neckline so that the jewelry can take over. 2 years ago there was too much embroidery, and then there's jewelry over it. Today they're open to colors like beige, ivory dupattas. They're interested in colors like my royal blue color has done really well for sangeets and receptions. Then there's emerald green. So people are opening up to colors. They're understanding the fact that somewhere the jewelry has to take over, somewhere the clothes. If the clothes are really opulent, then you need minimal jewelry.
The collection had been specially curated for occasions where brides can experiment and have fun with their outfits, be it at the engagement, cocktail, sangeet, or even to take along as part of their wedding trousseau.
I think a bride, first and foremost, she has to wear what's her favorite color. That's very important, because nowadays if you ask someone what outfit, no, that's for a bride. So I think the brides have to make the most of it. And the colors, it depends. Like I love greens, I love reds, because I always see Manish making so many bridal orders. So I think the bride should dress up to the utmost, because you don't get that chance ever again in your life.
The beautiful traditional lehengas in cream with golden border, the stunning red lehenga with heavy embellishments, and the cream dupatta draped in a traditional manner looked simply gorgeous.
I think it's very important that you stick to what you are known for and what is your DNA of your label, or the story that you speak, the language that you speak. So I do Indian clothes. I love Indian clothes. I like the color, the textures that we have, the embroidery, the craft that we have in India. And I try to do them consistently in a contemporary way. So they are more younger. It's like saying your culture in a language of today.
The showstopper Karishma Kapoor was dressed in a silver side-cut floral glittering embellished top with burgundy velvet lehenga, which made her look ravishing.
Manish has a speciality. His drapes are very, very feminine, and I think so that's what makes his shows so extraordinary. And the choices of colors he uses, the way he combines it, he combines a lot of beautiful treatments, just which makes it dreamy.
I like the way they had put the velvet and the bling all across. It was a very nice and a unique bridal collection.
I'm a designer myself, and as a designer, he's a mentor for us.
Gorgeous lehengas, stunning saris, and classic sherwanis ruled the ramp. Needless to say, the event saw the creme de la creme of Dubai. Okay, डिजाइन्स और डिजाइनर्स बहुत देख लिए. अब इट्स टाइम फॉर अस टू टेक अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक. लेकिन जब हम ब्रेक के बाद वापस आएंगे, तब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा थोड़ा सा मैजिक.